Here we got another Amazon pack. Here I got an Amazon package. This is my first ever Amazon purchase. Not my first purchase, but it's one of them. I don't use Amazon that much, but this is I made a new account, so let's unbox it. See if I can open it without or scissors or something. I gotta start opening a little bit. Oh, this is eBay. It's like hardware or something. I did order a lot of screws. I'm sure they just got that off of Amazon. Hold on. I don't know why it's open a little bit. Let me set my phone now. There we go. Yep. There it is. This is an eBay package. I'm sure they're probably checking it to see if it is damaged, but it doesn't look like it. There it is. Just in case it's a little destroyed, but whatever. You can always contact Amazon or eBay for a refund, but so far it looks good. It's just a crappy case. Like you just always get a new one, but it looks good. Stayed together though. Yeah, it looks good. I'm just gonna end this video or pause it. I'm not gonna pause it. It takes so long time to export that movie. Let me show you what's inside it. There we go. Look at that. Very nice. Looks like it's in all good condition. Looks like they probably stuck a styrofoam from the screws falling out. Yep. Thanks for watching. Looks good. I'll put a positive review on eBay.